Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and the active input so you pick the right menu options. Press Home or Menu on the Sharp remote. Once done, highlight Settings because the display controls live there. Make sure external devices like a set-top box are powered, otherwise the TV may lock aspect options. If your remote uses batteries, swap them now. This avoids interruptions and speeds navigation as you move into picture or display settings right away. You navigate into picture or display settings and locate aspect or screen size. Choose a preset such as 16, 9, 4, 3, zoom, or auto to match content. Once you change it, watch the preview and compare edges. This shows whether the image is stretched or cropped. If using HDMI devices, make sure overscan or HDMI full pixel is correct so you don't lose information at the borders. Take your time to test live content and confirm the selection field. You finish by fine-tuning with pixel shift or horizontal and vertical position controls to center and scale the image precisely. This corrects minor cropping or black bars. Once done, save or exit. If sizes act oddly, reset picture mode to default so corrupt settings don't persist. If problems remain, power cycle the TV and disconnect or reseat HDMI cables. A loose cable often causes wrong resolutions. If that still fails, note the model and contact Sharp support for firmware help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.